we were doing integrals reducible to the form 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Let's start with another question. Integral of 2x upon 1 minus x square minus x power 4 dx. Now in this question we can write x4 as x square whole square 1 minus x square minus x square square. Now we have the derivative of x square in the numerator, so put x square as t. Derivative of x square is 2x dx dt upon square root of 1 minus t square. Now it is quadratic. Complete the square. Take negative sign common. T square plus t. Now add and subtract half coefficient of t whole square. 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Add 1 by 4 here. Take the LCM. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 minus t plus 1 by 2 whole square. We can write 5 by 4 as square root of 5 upon 2 whole square minus t plus half whole square square root. Now apply the formula. Square root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x upon a. Apply this formula. Sine inverse x here is t plus 1 by 2 and a is square root of 5 upon 2. Take the LCM. 2t plus 1 upon 2 square root of 5 upon 2. What is the t here is x square. Sine inverse 2x square plus 1 upon square root of 5 plus c. Sine inverse 2x square plus 1 upon square root of 5 plus c. Next is integral of ex dx square root of 5 minus 4 ex minus e power 2x dx. We can write e2x as ex square root of 5 minus 4ex minus ex square. Now we have the derivative of ex in the numerator. Derivative of ex is ex. So put ex as t. Differentiate. Derivative of ex dx as dt. Ex dx is dt upon square root of 5 minus 4t minus t square. Again in the denominator we have quadratic. First make the coefficient of t square unity. Take the negative sign common here. T square negative common here plus 4t. 5 is constant. Now add and subtract half coefficient of t whole square. 2 square is 4. Minus 4 and plus 4 here. Dt upon square root of 9 minus t plus 2 whole square. We can write 9 as 3 square. Again 1 upon square root of a square minus x square sine inverse x upon a plus c. And what is the t here? Ex plus 2 upon 3 plus c. Sine inverse Ex plus 2 upon 3 plus c. Now the next question is, integral of cos of x upon square root of sine square x minus 2 sine x minus 3 dx. Cos x upon sine square x minus 2 sine x minus 3. Now we have derivative of sine x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. So put sine x as t. Differentiate derivative of sine is cos of x dx is equals to dt. dt upon square root of t square minus 2t minus 3. Again it is quadratic. Coefficient of t square is unity. So add and subtract half coefficient of t whole square. That is 1. T square minus 2t plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. We can write it as t minus 1 whole square minus 2. We can write 2 as square root of 2 whole square. Now integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square is log of x plus x here is t minus 1 plus x square minus a square. First we write this step. This ultimately we get t square minus 2t minus 3. Put the value of t. T is sine of x. Log of sine x minus 1 plus square root of sine square x minus 2 sine x minus 3 plus c. Log of sine x minus 1 plus square root of sine square x minus 2 sine x minus 3. Next is square root of x upon a cube minus x cube dx. Write square root of x as it is. A cube power 1 by 2. We can write it as a power 3 by 2 minus x power 3 by 2. Now put x power 3 by 2 as t. Derivative of x power n is n x power n minus 1. 3 by 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2. Square root of x dx is 2 by 3 dt. A power 3 by 2 minus t. A power 3 by 2 minus t. we can write it as square root of this. Now 2 by 3 dt upon square root of a square 1 upon square root of a square minus x square is equals to sine inverse x upon a. 2 by 3 sine inverse x upon a. What is t? T here is x power 3 by 2. We can write it as x a power 3 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3 sine inverse x 3 by 2 upon a 3 by 2 plus c. Next is integral of sine 2x into cos 2x upon 9 minus cos 4 2x dx. We can write cos power 4 as cos square whole square. Sine 2x cos 2x, 9 as 3 square minus cos square 2x whole square. Now put cos 2x as t, cos square 2x as t. Now differentiate cos square, so 2 cos 2x. Derivative of cos is minus sine 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. Minus 4 sine 2x cos 2x dx is equals to dt. Sine 2x cos 2x minus 1 upon 4 dt upon 3 square minus t square. Again 1 upon integral of a square minus x square is equals to sine inverse x upon a. Sine inverse x upon a plus c. And t here is cos square 2x upon 3 plus c. Minus 1 by 4 sine inverse cos square 2x upon 3 plus c. Now next question is integral of square root of sec x minus 1. We can write sec x as 1 upon cos x. Now take the LCM. 1 minus cos x upon cos of x. In the numerator and the denominator I have the terms in cos. So rationalize it. 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x. A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. And in the denominator we have cos of x plus cos square x. Now use the identity here. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. Cos of x plus cos square x. Square and square root will be cancelled. Sin x upon square root of cos of x plus cos square x. Now we have derivative of cos x in the numerator. So put cos x as t. Put cos x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sin x. So sin x dx is minus dt upon t plus t square. Now again it is quadratic. Add and subtract half coefficient of t whole square 1 by 4. Add and subtract 1 by 4. T square plus t plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Complete the square. Dt upon t plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 square. Now apply the formula. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square is log of x plus x square minus a square, that is t square plus t. Put the value of t here. T is cos x plus 1 by 2 plus square root of cos square x plus cos of x plus c. Now the next is integral of 1 upon square root of 1 minus e 2x dx. Now in the numerator we have 1, but if we take the derivative of ex, that will be ex. So we write it as 1 upon e minus 2x. Now take the LCM here. E power minus 2x minus 1, and we can write e power minus 2x as e minus x whole square. Square and square root will be cancelled. E minus x upon e minus x square minus 1. Now we have the derivative of e power minus x in the numerator. So put e minus x as t. Derivative of this is minus e minus x. Derivative of ex is ex, and here minus x. So derivative of minus x is minus 1. Now put this value. E minus x dx as minus dt upon square root of t square minus 1. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square minus a square. Log of x plus x square minus a square. X here is t. X square minus a square. T is e power minus x plus e minus 2x minus 1 plus c. Let's start with some more questions of these types. Integral of x upon x4 plus a4. Here in the first step we write x4 as x square whole square. Now we have the derivative of x square in the numerator. So put x square as t here. Put x square as t. Derivative of x square is 2x. X dx is dt upon 2 square root of t square. Integral of 1 upon square root of x square plus a square is log of x plus x here is t. Log of t plus t square plus a square square plus c. What is the t here? T is x square. So put the value of t. Half log of x square plus x4 plus a4 plus c. Half log of x square plus x4 plus a4 plus c. Next is integral of sec square x upon 1 plus tan square x dx. Now derivative of tan x is t. Differentiate. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx